welcome to my channel with a new video of accounting. In this video I am going to talk and provide a clear concept of accounting equation. That's why we have already selected the topic accounting equation. Now I am writing here the topic. Accounting equation. Okay. Let me introduce first about what is accounting equation. In a particular period of time or a certain period or a fiscal year or a calendar year, all of the entire asset of any organization will be as equal as external liabilities and owner's equity. The equation that represents the fundamental concept is known as accounting equation. The accounting scholars have only identified those as a transaction that affects the elements of accounting equation A equals to L plus OE. Viewers, at first I will discuss about the accounting equation. Later on I will talk about the extending accounting equation. Let's have a look. Here A equals to L plus OE. Somebody says A equals to L plus E, or somebody says A equals to L plus P. Both of are correct. Now A for assets. So what does asset mean? Asset means the financial resources that belong to a business and that is invested for making profit, like furniture, land and building, machineries, franchisee, copyright, goodwill, patent, trademark, and so on. Liability. L for liabilities. At first I am writing here. So what does liability means? Liability means the financial rigidity that has to be paid up after a certain period of time. That's called the claim of the third party. OE. OE for owner's equity. So what is the definition of owner's equity? If you deduct the liability from the entire asset of the business, the rest amount will call owner's equity. I mean, the claim of the owner is called owner's equity. You can easily say that is also correct. I am writing here the extending accounting equation. Look over there. Here A equal to L plus C plus I minus E minus D, and I am now giving here a bracket also. So the extending accounting equation is A equal to L plus C plus I minus E minus D, and you can also write here R instead of I. Okay, then the equation will be A equals to L plus C plus R minus E minus D. Both of are correct. Now here I'm now giving you some curves. This way it will be easily identified to understand. Okay. After completing this sign, I will make understand to you about what we are doing now. So at first, A for asset. I am writing here A for assets. L for liabilities. C for capital. I for income or revenue. E for expense. And D for drawing. Now look at this stage very carefully because it's very important. If asset increase, then it goes to in debit side. If asset decreases, then it goes to credit side. If liability increase as much as possible, then it belongs to credit. And the liability decrease, and then it goes to debit side. Capital remains same. If capital increase, then it will be in credit side. On the other hand, if it decreases, then goes to in debit side. Income increase, I mean credit. Decrease, I mean debit. Expense, when it will be increased, then it will be the opposite of income, debit, and decrease for credit. Drawing a remains same. When it will be increased, then it will be debit side, and decrease for credit side. Now look, dear viewers, these are very helpful and very important to memorize because it is the fundamental concept of accounting. That's why you'll have to memorize the extending accounting equation. And you can say, sir, how can I memorize it? Okay, I will provide you a short technique. And one thing is very important. What's the important thing? If you want to know the rules of debit and credit per days, there is no other alternative way without having these. Now let's have a look for the short technique. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements here. Okay, number 1, drawing. So put a tick mark. Expense, tick mark, and asset. Okay. Drawing, expense, and assets. Dear viewers, look at this stage very sincerely. These three elements, when it will be in increase, then it goes to debit side. On the other hand, if it decreases, then it goes to credit side. Look, and these three figures will absolutely alternative. What? Income, capital, and liabilities. When income increase, capital increase, and liabilities increase, then it goes to credit, credit, and credit. Look, absolutely same. And the alternative will be in debit, debit, debit. So you can easily identify, recognize, and memorize it with this short technique. Thank you so much. And the students, as well as the viewers of accounting faculty, please give a thumbs up if you like this video, share and comment. Definitely subscribe to my channel named Channel of Teaching Home if you want to get more update videos. Dear, I have another word, as I haven't said it before the start of the video. I'm making a playlist of accounting basics soon. There is going to be a bunch more new videos just like this one. Thank you so much.